with the Dell because Dell is a really specialized brand in computer and monitor and accessories of computer. So this is a Dell P24 22H monitor. This is 24-inch monitor, and this is a bit more costlier than the Philips actually. It's I get it for more than 16,000, less than 17,000, and like Philips was 12,000 around. But it has a lot of the different functionalities as well, more than the like Philips one. So we'll just open this and see how we can connect this. So this it's essentially manual, just a simple manual, but I think I know how to configure this, so I don't have any problem. I had used this monitor for like long time previously, so I know this is going to be really good monitor. But last time I thought let's try the Philips one, just a new one, which was like a bit more cost efficient as well. This seems to be like 33% more costlier than the Philips one that I ordered last time. It's a power cord. It's a 16 ampere power cord. The problem with this power cord is like this plug does not fit into the normal extension boards. So we don't find it's common to get like this socket inside the home. So last time I took the like a new extension board from local shop. It was just for like a 200 rupees, so I can use the same this time I guess. This one is like similar to HDMI, but this is a D cable. I don't think so. I have this port for my laptop, so I'm sure that I will not able to connect this, but we'll see how to connect the monitor now. So both part here. I guess this is like yeah, it's backward support. The major function of this monitor is like this is height adjustable. We can adjust the height. We can even rotate this monitor up to the 180 degrees, so we can just make it horizontal or maybe vertical and tilt it like the as we want. So it's awesome. This is IPS 24-inch Dell monitor. It is a matte finishing, so it does not reflect much more. This is another cable. I think so. I can use this for like connecting my monitor to the laptop, like with the USB. We'll see. Okay. Now there is like a downside stand. It's really heavy actually, and seems to be so strong. It is really heavy and seems to be so strong. I think it can be weight up to like 700 to 800 gram, and this is made in China, and so all the like things is made in China. You can even find the like a number here as well, a monitor number, model number, and things. We will configure that shortly. So let's put it here one by one. And finally we have the monitor inside this box. So let's get some room here and check our monitor. Okay. This is how our monitor looks like. It's a 24-inch borderless, so there is no frames in the border. It's just like full screen. And it's even like a matte finishing, so it does not reflect. I should so to configure this, we can do one by one now. If you check the downside part here, like we have all the sockets in downside. So like we have 2 and 2, that is a core USB port. That was like that is a ESS port. One is VGA, one is HDMI, that is another is D cable port, and the power cable, and one for like a USB to the monitor connection. So we will do that connection now. So let's down like here. Now, the easy way to do this thing actually, we can go by like connecting the power cable. Let's cables first. So let's put it power cable inside the power socket. Okay, here. Okay. Another one is like I will try this one actually, because my laptop does not have this kind of cable port actually. It's a D port. We have HDMI but not this one, so I cannot use this time now. But I think we can use this one. Let's try that. Put it inside there. It's a long cable, like I think so it's around 2 meters or kind of. This is done. Now let's take this stand. Okay, so if you see here, we have 2 notch here and 2 notch here. So like put it like vertical down. So we just need to just put it there and just push it. Even we don't need to push it, just like go down. If you want to remove, there is a button here, we can press it and we can remove it. One more time, so just like this, just put it. Okay, now just configure or maybe hide the stand, down stand. So just put it like here. So that means like most of the part will be in the front side. This. And we can tighten this screw. So we have the like screw downside in bottom. Let's put it here, and once we tighten, it will be strong and very tight. Okay. Now we can just take it like this. Okay. Now we don't need this box right now. So this is very strong, and you can see like we can adjust the height as well, like this, and I'm sure that we can even adjust the like vertical or horizontal as well. But let's check first like what we have here. So this is kind of tracking like joystick, so it's for controlling our options like our brightness and everything, and all that is like power button. It's time to check this now. So what I will do, I will just take some space at my workstation and just configure this now, connecting to the laptop. We can adjust. I'm not sure like how we can adjust the rotation right now, but we will figure it out. So this is the socket I was talking about, like 16 ampere pin socket. So I can put this pin inside here actually, that I got in local shop. So let's adjust that now, and let's switch on. We have the power button here. The problem with this now is like we cannot connect the monitor with both the port that we get inside like the box inside the shipment right now. So this is the USB cable, but this start port like USB of that monitor. So I tried this, but like it does not work, so I have to get the like a new HDMI cable again as externally. So I got this HDMI cable. It was already with me. It is very old now. The problem with this HDMI is really long actually. I think it's 3 meter long. So let's try to connect this now and see it.